Hi, this is Kanchan and welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day today and I am very excited. You know why? Because I am going to paint my favorite subject, mountains. Let's start. To start with my mountains, I have done a simple background. That is, first of all, I have applied a thin coat of liquid white, then I have blended the sky with a bit of phthalo blue and have given a very faded indication of clouds. And the colors that I have taken today to do a mountain are titanium white, Dyke brown, black and Prussian blue. So taking my knife, let's start. Prussian blue, a teeny tiny bit of black and a little bit of Dyke brown. What I want here is very dark color for the base layer of the mountain. Cutting a thick roll of paint here. Let's decide where shall we keep our mountain. Maybe the first peak somewhere here. These are the bumps, various and ridges. Maybe one more peak here. And one more here. Scraping off the excess of paint with the knife. Now let's pick up a Filbert brush and we'll just pull this color down, this excess of paint down. While doing so, giving a shape of a mountain with the bumps and ridges. Now taking a 1-inch landscape brush, we will be blending this part of the mountain, giving it a misty-like effect. Later on we can create a mist effect with this. Half circular strokes type, you can pulling upward. Okay. Now taking back the knife again and taking titanium white and a little bit of the mountain mixture that we have made. So now we have to decide from which side our sunlight is coming. Let's assume it's coming from the right side, from this direction. We'll cut a thin roll of paint here and we'll try to highlight the mountain from this side. Coming to the other peak, barely touching the canvas. Simply grazing with the knife, light touch. Coming to this last peak. Now taking some dark color, dark mountain mixture and a little bit of titanium white, we'll paint the shadow side of the mountain. Bit more of white. Using the short corner of the knife for the area where it is too small to reach. Putting a little bit more of details here and there. Bit of the dark color and touching this side. And that's it. And our mountains are done. To be honest, these mountains are going to give you tough time when you initially try them. But after a few times, you'll be amazed at what you can do. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Happy painting.